Arrest, or even the fear of arrest, is one of the most stressful experiences there is. Knowing how bail works can change everything. Here is your guide to bail under the BNSS 2023, the law that replaced the Code of Criminal Procedure from July 1, 2024. There are four main types. Regular bail is sought after arrest, when the accused applies to the court for release pending trial. Anticipatory bail under Section 482 BNSS is sought before arrest, when a person apprehends arrest for a non-bailable offense. If granted, it protects against being taken into custody. Interim bail is a temporary release until the main application is decided, and default bail under Section 187 BNSS arises when the police fail to file a charge sheet in time. More on that in a moment. For bailable offenses, generally the less serious crimes, bail is a matter of right under Section 478 BNSS. You are released on furnishing a bail bond, with or without sureties, at the police station itself. No court application needed. For non-bailable offenses, serious crimes like murder or robbery, bail is judicial discretion under Section 480 BNSS. The court weighs the gravity of the offense, the evidence, the risk of fleeing or tampering with witnesses, and the accused antecedents. Engage a lawyer who practices criminal law where the case is registered. The lawyer drafts the application citing Sections 478 to 484 of the BNSS. The grounds for bail, such as weak evidence, personal circumstances, health, or cooperation with the investigation, and the conditions you are willing to accept. An advance copy goes to the public prosecutor. For offenses punishable up to 3 years, the magistrate's court is generally the first forum. Graver offenses go to the Sessions Court. If refused, approach the High Court under Section 483, and ultimately the Supreme Court under Article 136 of the Constitution. Section 187 BNSS gives you an indefeasible right to bail if the police miss their charge sheet deadline. 60 days for offenses punishable with imprisonment up to 7 years, 90 days for offenses punishable with death, life imprisonment, or 10 years or more. Apply before the charge sheet is actually filed, and the court cannot deny it. The Supreme Court has repeatedly called this a fundamental safeguard against prolonged detention without trial.
The BNSS adds a landmark protection for undertrials. Under Section 479, the jail superintendent must apply for bail on behalf of an undertrial who has served 1/3 of the maximum sentence for the offense for first-time offenders, or 1/2 for others. It does not apply to offenses punishable with death or life imprisonment. The aim? No one should sit in jail longer than the sentence they might receive.
Courts often attach conditions: surrendering your passport, marking attendance at a police station, or furnishing sureties. Accept realistic conditions, and remember, refusal at one level gives you the right to approach the higher court. Bail is a right in bailable offenses and a discretion in the rest, but the ladder of remedies is always open. For more details, visit our website and subscribe.